Hello class. Our math focus today is I can identify quadrilaterals by using Google Maps to find shapes in my neighborhood. So before I talk about what you will be doing, first thing you need to do is, of course, check the math focus, which we already did. And then you want to check this video. This video tells you how to install and search for Google Maps and Google Earth. And then right here is the mini lesson, which is what you are watching right now. And this is where you're going to be turning it in. So this is what you need to do. You have already downloaded Google Maps. So you go and find your Google Maps icon. It should look just like this. Tap on it, and it'll take you to a screen that looks like this, okay? So right now we are near Farnsworth, which is right here. This is our school. The church is over here, and the lake is over here on this side. So what you want to do next, uh, when you open it up, it's going to show you where your location is at. So that's going to be around your neighborhood. If you want to take a screenshot from there, that is fine. But if you want to do what I did and um, come down to Farnsworth, you can do that. But the goal of this is to find quadrilaterals around your neighborhood. So I'm going to use this as my background template or as my map that I'm going to be using. So there's going to be a few steps that you need to do in order to complete this assignment. First thing you need to do is when you are in here, you want to go up to this eye with the circle. You want to tap on it. Then maps, transit, and satellite comes up. I want you to do satellite. And then press this X. So the satellite image is here. You can zoom in a little bit. You can zoom out. It's up to you. So I'm just going to zoom it in here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, you hold the power button and the home button at the same time, or you just press it and it takes a picture of it just like that. Next thing you're going to need to do is go to Notability. My Notability is right here. When you open it, this might pop up. And all you need to do is just press the arrow, the back button, okay? If that doesn't pop up and you're already on this screen, you're good to go. So what you need to do is press on this pencil to create a new page. What we're going to do now is press the plus sign. And then it says photo. We're going to tap on photo. And then we're going to tap on all photos. Okay, so yours is going to pop up right here where it says today. And you're going to tap right here, right up here. Tap on it and hold it so that it pops out like that. And what you want to do is you want to drag it out and just drop it right there. And it's there. Right now it's too small. So you want to take this corner, take your finger and put it on this blue corner right here. And you just want to drag it to make it bigger. So I'm just going to drag it there. Just enough so that I can start working on it. Okay. So the next thing I did was I tapped on this finger right here, or the pointer, so that I can move it around. So right now, my job or my focus is to find quadrilaterals using Google Maps around my neighborhood. So I can go ahead and go look for different quadrilaterals. So I see one right there. I'm going to take my pencil. I see a quadrilateral right here. So I'm just going to mark it. That is a rectangle. Inside here, I also see another one. I see one more here. I see another one here. And another one over here. Okay, that's a bunch of quadrilaterals that I just found. I'm going to go back around here. I see one here at the roof or on the roof. I see another one here. Okay, let's see. Where else do I see these roofs? Once I go down, I see one right here. That's also a quadrilateral. Remember, a quadrilateral has 4 sides. Most of the ones that I'm finding are rectangles and squares. I would like you to try to find trapezoids, rhombuses, parallelograms. So any of those would be quadrilaterals. Now, once you're done with everything, you want to zoom back out so that your iPad looks just like this again so that you can take another screenshot. This screenshot will have the markings that you marked. And then you're going to turn this into Schoology. So I'm going to go back to Schoology. This pencil here is where you will be turning it in. So you tap on that, and then submissions and the plus sign. Once you've turned in your assignment, one thing that I would like you to do is to go into Google Earth. So find your Google Earth icon, which is the one that looks just like this one right here. I want you to tap it. And in here, you can play around. You can look for different types of quadrilaterals here. So I go to the search bar, which is up here. I'll show you how I got there. I tapped on this magnifying glass, and then I'm going to type South Korea. So now Google Earth is going to zoom out and take me to South Korea. So you just let it happen. If this is here, you can press the X here. So now I'm in South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm just taking my fingers to zoom in. I'm going to come around here. And I see more quadrilaterals. There's a rectangle right here. There's a little square right there. There's some more quadrilaterals all around the city. If you don't want to search for South Korea, you can search for anything else you want. Europe. I'm going to go to Germany. You can search any city in the world and it will take you there. So right now it's taking us to Germany. So it's a very cool app. And what you need to do is you want to zoom in, look for a city. I'm in the city, and then I can see so many other quadrilaterals here. These are farmland. So there are many possibilities, many different cities that you can go look at, and all I want you to do is have fun with this.